Welcome. This is how to fix iPhone camera that won't focus. So guys, the first solution is just simply restart your iPhone by tapping on the volume down button and the power button and just simply hold it until it shuts off and just simply open up your iPhone again, and this mostly fixes the issue. Now, if it doesn't, you could just simply go back and go to your settings on your phone. Now from here, just simply scroll down a little bit and go to the general. And then here on the general, just simply scroll down to the bottom and you should be able to see a transfer or a reset iPhone. So go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you will have an option reset. So guys, don't worry because this will not erase the data. And from here, you could just simply go for reset all settings. So guys, mostly this fixes the issue. And if it doesn't, just make sure you are running the latest version of your software. And that's simply about it. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.